Hi everyone, welcome to I Just React and Review. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well. And right now I will be reacting to Dosti music video. This is a song from the upcoming Telugu film RRR, and this song has been released in various languages, but I'm going to be reacting to the Telugu version of this song. Now let me just quickly open the credits. This song has been sung by Hema Chandra, he's the singer, and but this video features a lot of people. It'll have Junior NTR, Ram Charan, and MM Kiravani, who is actually the music director. Then Hema Chandra, who is the singer for this particular song. It has Amit Trivedi, Anirudh, Vijay Yesudas, and Yazan Nazar. So I am guessing the singers who have sung various like versions of the same song, everybody is basically featured in this music video. So that's a very unique and amazing way to market your film. Anyway, we know this movie is going to be like epic, larger than life. So whatever promotional material that the makers are going to drop, I am guessing, it's going to be unique and epic. So yes, let's not delay this any further and react to Dosti. Here we go. Oh, nice. Wow. Oh wow. Wow. Oh wow. Wow. Literally getting goosebumps. Wow. Wow. Oh. Wow. October 13th. I can't be the only one. I can't be the only one who got literal goosebumps by watching this. This was epic. That's the only word which is coming in my mind. Let's talk about the video first. Wow, I'm going to listen to all the versions. It'll be similar only, but I'll listen to each and every version. About the video, I loved how, the focus of the song was not on the actors, the main actors. They come at the end, but it's on the singer and the composer. That's the first thing which made me very, very happy. Very, very happy that the entire focus was that, yes, you should know who has given the music for this video and who has sung the song, who has contributed in the singing. Then you have all the people who are on the instruments and everybody. I am guessing those are the people who have actually played the instrument when it was getting recorded in the studio. This is what my broad guess is. So if that's the case, then props to the makers then. I'm really, really happy. Specifically, want to thank S.S. Rajamouli for actually making a video, sort of releasing the first song where your entire focus is on the singers and the people who have made this song possible. So first claps for that. Love that. At the end, and that's why after that, when Ram Charan and Junior NTR, when they enter at the end, just the impact is just so powerful. The impact is so powerful. Plus, firstly, when it comes to the sets, I love that this is the main focus, the bond between these two characters. And of course, one represents fire and the other is water. We see it in their introduction videos also, right? So I loved how the entire video is a combination of fire and water. And when Ram Charan enters, it's all fire. When Junior NTR enters, it's all water. When they both enter, it's a mix of both. It's just so well thought out. The concept is so well thought out. They have stuck to their theme of fire and water, which is fantastic. It's just brilliantly shot. The cinematographer, let me just once again open the credits and I want to see who shot this video. The DOP is Dinesh Krishnan. I mean, we know the singers who are there, who have contributed. So firstly, thank you S.S. Rajamouli for including them majorly in the video. And then the DOP, Dinesh Krishnan. I mean, he needs to be applauded as well. Also, the choreographer, Satish Krishnan, he also did a fabulous job. It was beautiful. Now, about the song, I love that the song has this epic feel. The dham, dham, dham. That was so nice. The beats and the tempo, they will give you goosebumps. It's just like that. They are supposed to give you goosebumps, this entire song. And all of the instruments, the use of the violin, the guitar, the piano, the keyboard, everything is just used so perfectly. It's a blend. Every instrument has been used in such proportion that the blend of everything makes it such a beautiful listen. I love this song. I absolutely love the song. This is a song which most of the people will start loving from the first listen itself. What happens is, in some songs where it's a grower and you really don't jam with it in the first time, but then once you start listening to them again and again and again, then it grows on you. But I feel this is this kind of song which people will instantly like in the first listen itself. It's not just the vocals, the vocals are very powerful. Hema Chandra, his vocals are extremely powerful, but it's the melody also. It's a blend of everything. I mean, you can just see that everybody has come together and there is this unbelievable synergy that has been formed to create this amazing song. Usually, the songs become so forgettable that at the first, 1 minute, you listen to them 1 minute, and then you are like, okay, fine, yeah, it's a nice song. Probably I'll listen to it a couple of times and I'll forget about it. This is a 5-minute song. I didn't even realize how 5 minutes went by because I was so hooked to, for in the video, the instruments, the way they were, the entire video has been choreographed, the vocals, everything, just everything. So yes, wow, what an epic music video. I loved it. What are your thoughts, guys? Did you like the song? Did you not like the song? I would love to read them in the comment section. I personally loved it. I am just imagining, what I was imagining is that when this song is played with a full-blown orchestra live, how it is going to sound. I mean, that'll be so epic. I'm just wondering whenever that happens. But imagine this thing being played live with a proper orchestra, in a big sort of like a concert hall or a stadium sort of setup. Just goosebumps. Thinking about it is only giving me goosebumps. So yes, that was my reaction to Dosti music video, the Telugu song. And yes, I'm going to give a listen to all the other versions. There's Hindi, Tamil, whichever versions have been released, I'll give a listen to all of them. So yes, that was my reaction for today, guys. Do share in your thoughts in the comment section below. And yep, I'll sign off now and I'll see you soon on my next video. Bye-bye.